Hey there, William here. What if I told you there are products you can create once, sell endlessly, and build a steady income without ever holding inventory? Sounds incredible, right? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 digital products you can sell for passive income. Stick around, because later I'll reveal one digital product that is shockingly easy to create, yet most people completely overlook it. Let's jump straight in with the first one: online courses. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Aren't online courses difficult and time-consuming to make? Actually, that's a common myth. You see, creating an online course doesn't mean you need to be a famous expert or spend thousands on filming. All you need is practical knowledge or skill you can clearly teach. It can be as simple as your hobby or everyday skill: cooking, gardening, photography, even basic coding. If you have something valuable to share, someone out there is eager to learn it. But here's the twist. Online courses aren't just about the content. It's all about solving a specific problem for your audience. Think about it. Why do people buy courses? They're looking for a shortcut, clarity, or expert guidance. Your job is simply to offer clear, actionable steps to help them reach their goals. Now, here's a quick tip to make your course even more profitable. Offer tiered pricing. This could be a basic package, a premium package with bonuses, and a deluxe package with personal coaching. Believe me, this simple tweak can multiply your earnings almost overnight. Alright, courses sound great, but what if you're camera shy or prefer writing over filming? Don't worry, I've got the perfect digital product for you coming up in just a moment. But first, let's talk about the second product: eBooks. eBooks are the ultimate beginner-friendly digital product. They require zero upfront cost and can be about literally anything. Whether it's a short guide, a detailed tutorial, or a fiction story, there's always someone looking to buy. But here's the secret most people miss. Successful ebooks solve problems quickly. Don't write a 200-page guide when a concise, powerful 30-page solution can do the job better. The key is delivering high value, fast. And once you write it, you upload it to platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Gumroad, and it practically sells itself. But how do you actually get people to notice your ebook in such crowded marketplaces? Well, stick with me, because I'll reveal a little-known strategy that top ebook sellers use to dominate sales charts, one you can easily replicate. But before we get into that, let's look at digital product number 3, printables. You might be thinking, what exactly are printables? Simply put, they're downloadable PDF files. People print at home. Think planners, worksheets, calendars, and checklists. They're popular because they're incredibly practical and immediately useful. Now, here's why printables are fantastic. You create them once using simple design tools like Canva, and people download them over and over. No shipping, no restocking. And they can be tailored to almost any niche, from meal planners and fitness trackers to budgeting templates and kids' activities. Want to know the quickest way to find ideas for profitable printables? Simply browse Etsy or Pinterest. See what's trending, add your unique spin, and you have a winning product ready to launch. Speaking of winning products, remember how I said I'd share a digital product that's shockingly easy yet wildly overlooked? Well, we're almost there, but first, product number 4, templates. Templates are digital products that save people time by simplifying tasks. Think about it: resumes, social media graphics, email newsletters, presentations. The possibilities are endless. People pay good money for convenience, and templates deliver exactly that. The best part? You don't even have to be a design pro. Tools like Canva make template creation ridiculously easy. But here's a question for you. What's the smartest way to market your templates to ensure consistent sales? Stay tuned, because that's another secret I'll reveal very shortly. Now, before we get to that, let's uncover the 5th digital product: stock media. Photos, videos, and even music can become passive income streams. If you enjoy photography, filming, or music creation, this is your ticket to monetizing your hobby. Upload your media to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond 5. Each download earns you money, over and over again. Imagine having thousands of people purchasing your content worldwide without you ever lifting another finger. Now you're probably wondering, how can you make your stock media stand out among millions of others? Well, that's exactly what I'll reveal next, along with that incredibly overlooked digital product I promised earlier. This could literally transform your passive income strategy overnight, so don't miss out. Let's tackle that burning question. How can you ensure your stock media stands out and generates consistent income? Here's the simple yet powerful secret: niche down. Instead of general stock media that everyone creates, focus on very specific themes. For example, instead of generic office shots, capture unique scenarios like remote work setups, digital entrepreneurs, or home-based businesses. These specialized images are harder to find, and buyers are willing to pay a premium for precisely the right content. But here's the twist I promised earlier. There's a digital product almost nobody talks about, yet it's incredibly easy to produce and can become a significant passive income stream. Audio products. Surprised? Most people are. Audio products like guided meditations, relaxing soundscapes, motivational recordings, or educational podcasts are growing faster than ever before. Creating these products doesn't require expensive equipment or professional studios. With affordable microphones and free audio editing software like Audacity, you can quickly produce high-quality audio content from your home. Once created, simply upload to platforms such as Spotify, Audible, or even sell them directly from your own website or Gumroad. So why is this digital product so underrated? Well, people tend to underestimate the incredible demand for audio content. Think about busy professionals, stressed students, and millions seeking relaxation, motivation, or learning on the go. They all prefer audio because it fits seamlessly into their daily routines. Now, the question you're probably thinking is, how do you market audio products effectively? Here's another secret tip. Use short audio clips as teasers across social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. When people enjoy your short clips, they'll naturally want the full experience, driving them straight to your premium content. Alright, now that we've covered these 5 powerful digital products, how do you actually drive consistent sales once they're created? Well, here's a crucial strategy many digital creators overlook: creating an email list. An email list is your personal audience, people who've actively chosen to hear from you. Every time you launch a new product or special offer, simply send out an email. Statistically, email marketing is far more effective at driving sales than relying solely on social media. And here's a pro tip. Offer a free bonus, such as a mini guide, checklist, or special discount, in exchange for their email address. This rapidly grows your list, giving you a direct channel to potential buyers. Now let's quickly recap the 5 digital products that can create life-changing passive income for you. Online courses, eBooks, printables, templates, and stock media, plus the bonus hidden gem, audio products. Each of these options is easy to start, scalable, and requires minimal investment. The best part? Once created, they generate income continuously, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than managing inventory or dealing with shipping. Finally, here's a critical point to remember. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. The real magic is upfront effort with long-term rewards. Consistently refine your marketing strategy, listen to your audience's feedback, and continuously improve your products. Each step you take now brings you closer to lasting financial freedom. So, what's stopping you from launching your first digital product? Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Every successful entrepreneur started exactly where you are right now. The key difference: they took action. Thanks for watching. Make sure to take that first step today. Your future self will thank you.